Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use pipelines and segments within Candidate ID to help you better organise your database of candidates. So to get started with, you'll notice there's a lot of other options here such as emails, landing pages, links and downloads and things like that. They're available in the full version of Candidate ID. So if you'd be interested in having a demo of those features, just reply to the email you received. So to get cracking, I'm just going to go to the pipeline section. So pipelines can be thought of as kind of job families generally. So if we were hiring for Candidate ID, we might have one pipeline for technology, and that would have lots of different roles such as like front-end developers, back-end developers, testers and all of that, but they're in a rough job family. So if we go to create a new pipeline, very, very simple. Just select new from the top right-hand side and give it a name. So technology. Give it a description, make sure it's live and set it to public. And once that's saved, that's that done. So when you create new candidates, you can place them into these pipelines and you have kind of one source of truth and area to go to when you have any technology roles needing to be filled. So that's very straightforward, but to make most use out of this, you'll want to use segments. So you can think of segments as searches ran against a pipeline. So as long as your data is nice and standardized, then this is all really, really easy for you. So for this example, we're going to use our SEN teachers pipeline. And then from here, we're just going to go up to the top right and select new segment. So I'm going to do this for United States. So you can do this based on any candidate field, country, city, anything you know about the candidates basically. I know we have a lot of United States candidates in here, and then I'm just going to do all candidates from, excuse my spelling, from the United States. And if you go to the bottom section here, we have a filter. So this can be on any candidate field that we have information on. So that's the best thing to do is make sure this is all standardized and this information is filled out for as many candidates as possible. So what we are going to do is go for country. Going to do like, just in case there's any erroneous text at the end, and United States. I'm going to set that to live and hit save. And we're returned back to our pipeline view. So from here, if we expand the segment list, we can see that we already had one here for Manchester. And this one I just created for the United States is populated with 45 candidates because they all have United States in their country field. And then all we have to do is click on the view 45 candidates text. And now we're met with a filtered list of only the relevant candidates from the United States. So that makes things like that really easy for you. You can also get a lot more granular with this. So if we go with Tampa, back to pipelines. SEN teachers, create a new segment, Tampa, US. So go for city, like Tampa, and country, like United States. And that, as I said, that can be for any information you know, so it doesn't have to just be city and country. If we hit save, you'll then see we have that single candidate from there. Thanks, guys.